Welcome to the Purple Box. At the Purple Box, we create most easy and simple dishes that can be easily done at home. I try to do dishes which we go out to have, or maybe our grandparents did, or you want to experiment something with the vegetables available in the market. Anything. We just enjoy cooking. Cooking is an art form. If you want to create your dish, if you want a guideline, at the Purple Box, we guide you on that. If you want to learn anything new, do let us know through the comment section. I will surely do it for you. If you like this video, don't forget to press the like button, the thumbs up button. Do subscribe to our channel if you have not done it yet. You feel somebody would like this video, do share this video with that person. Yes, coming! My son is so excited for the dish today. Let's go to the kitchen and start.
As you all know, we are going to make a simple vegetable soup. Healthy and tasty. Just enjoy the cooking experience. Later I'll give you a list of the ingredients, the portion of it. A portion of cabbage, normal cabbage, some beans, capsicum. I'll be using a portion of it. I'll be making soup for 4 to 5 people. A small portion of a cauliflower, some carrots, 2 small onions or maybe 1 big, a portion of ginger and few garlic pods. These are the only vegetables that we are going to use in this vegetable soup that we are going to make. I like to add some coriander leaves as well. That's optional. We also require some salt to taste, some vinegar, white vinegar, some soya sauce. I prefer dark soya sauce, some oil for cooking, the frying, the starting of the dish, a very small portion. Lots of chopping needs to be done because so many vegetables. Start with the cabbage. As fine as possible, 1 to 1.5 inches in length. Then the carrots. First make circular slices and then make thin slices of it. Keep them aside. Chop the beans in very small size. The garlic, very thin circular slices. The garlic, press them hard with the knife. The skin loosens from the body and it's very easy to separate the skin. Now chop them as small as possible. See? Now we cut out small florets of the cauliflower and then slice the onions as thin as possible. It's time for the capsicum now. We are going to take a small portion of the capsicum and slice them long like this. Now heat some oil in a pan, very small portion of it as I mentioned before. It is just to start the cooking. When the oil is kind of hot, not very hot, take the garlic pieces and the ginger slices and also the sliced onions and then mix them well with the oil and start cooking. Then after some time add the beans and again mix them all well. Now add the carrots, the cauliflowers and the finely chopped cabbage and mix everything well. Sprinkle some salt in between. This will help the vegetables go soft. As we have used very little oil, don't increase the heat, that might burn the vegetables. Mix them all well. You will find that they are gradually going softer. Then add the capsicum, the sliced capsicum, and again mix them well. Now cover them, reduce the heat and allow it to cook for some time. After around 4 to 5 minutes, the vegetables have gone quite softer. Now we will open the lid and with the spatula we will again reposition the vegetables. You can see it's become soft. So now we are going to pour hot water, absolutely hot water. I have put around 5 to 6 cups of water, boiling water. So it starts boiling immediately. Say within 1 minute you will find that the water that you have given in the vegetables, the whole thing is boiling. Now add some vinegar and some soya sauce, dark soya sauce. Then again mix them all well so that the sauce and the vinegar mix together. Now pour corn flour water. I have mixed corn flour in 1 cup of water and immediately mix the whole thing together kind of vigorously so that no lumps are formed. Allow it to cook for another 2 minutes, then add some more dark soya sauce if you wish to. I like it like that. It starts boiling within another 2 minutes. Mix everything well and our soup is almost ready. Keep mixing it all together. That's very important. And at the end, add the chopped coriander leaves. As I said, this is optional, but I just love it. As promised earlier, I'm giving you a list of the ingredients. Take a screenshot of this so that you can refer to this later. We have taken out our soup in the serving bowl. Serve hot. It tastes the best when it's very hot, straight from the oven. Add a bit of dark soya sauce. As I said, I love the flavor of dark soya sauce. And serve them hot. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to press the like button. Do subscribe to our channel if you have not done it yet. In the comment section, write anything that you want to discuss with me and do share it with your friends. I'm going to have this hot soup. You also prepare it and serve it for your family. Bye.